Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a quick and easy southern fried cabbage. This was served up with some amazingly delicious smothered wings. Guys, if you haven't had smothered wings before, the video for that is coming soon and you guys just have to try this one. Alright, so this southern fried cabbage is absolutely delicious. It is divine. It is so tasty. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump right into this video. These are the list of the ingredients and they will be in the description box. So I would have preheated my pan. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of oil and I am going to sear my sausages on both ends. Get that nice color on there and then we're going to remove. Then I'm going to do the same for my bacon and remove. Then I'm going to saute some onions for about 2 minutes on medium-low heat. Then I'm going in with my celery. Give that a good stir. Allow this to cook for about 30 seconds. Then we are going in with our diced garlic. Alright, allow that to cook for an additional 30 seconds. Stir consistently. Then we are going to add our bell peppers. Now I'm using multicolored bell peppers. If you don't have those, that is just fine. You can use whatever you have. Alright, after about another 30 seconds, we are going to add our cabbage. Alright, and I'm seasoning here, and I will season as I go, because you can always adjust your seasoning. Alright, give that a good stir. Now we're going to allow this to cook on medium-low heat for about 10 to 12 minutes. There I'm adding my green onions and I'm tasting. Alright, the amount that I use I'll leave in the description box. Then we're going to add our bacon and our sausages. Stir and it's done, guys. Absolutely delicious. This was an amazing dinner and that smothered chicken wing goes perfectly with that. So if you guys want to try that, the video for the smothered wings also is coming soon. So thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. See y'all on the next video. Bye-bye.